Hi everyone, my name is Tanya and today I am sharing a video and I am taking part in Altenew's 5th anniversary blog hop. Today I'm going to be sharing a card and showing you how to create patterns using geometric stamps. So I'm going to be using Altenew's stamp. This is a stamp set called Trigonometry or Trigonometry. Please let me know how to pronounce this. And I'm going to be using a variety of Altenew inks, which I'll leave the details of in the description box below. And what I'm doing is I've chosen two of the stamps from the set, the ones with the lines, and I have inked that up, and I am going to be creating like a almost diagonal pattern moving across the card page. So I'm going to be doing a one layer card, which is normally something I don't really do, but I really love the look of, so I thought that for this card I would try that out. So I am inking up each of the two stamps with the inks that I have chosen, and I am sort of lining them up and making sure that they're as lined up as best as they can be. And even if they're not perfect, I am not really going to worry about that too much, because when the overall design is finished, you won't really notice the imperfections that much. If you want to be really careful, you can use your MISTI tool. But because I wanted to make something quick and easy to make, I just chose to use some acrylic blocks. So once I finished my design, I thought that it didn't feel like I had filled up the card front enough, so I decided to create another diagonal line to finish off my design, and I was really happy with the results. And now I am adding my sentiment. This is the same, using the same stamp set. This is a small sentiment called Happy Birthday. I really love the look of sentiments that sort of are diagonally placed, but I didn't feel like that was the right place for this card. So in the end, when I put it in that bottom right corner there, I was really pleased to see that it fit perfectly. And I am lightly inking up the stamp with some black ink, and here's my finished card. And when I was doing some practice runs, I made lots of pattern cards using the stamp set, and they're really easy to line up. And like I said, even if they don't line up 100%, when the whole card is finished, I think that they look really good. So I hope you give some pattern stamping a try. It's something that I'm really loving these days, and it's a really good way to try out different ink combinations and patterns. Thank you so much for joining, and I hope you have a great day. Please join us on the blog for more details about the hop, and you can win some prizes. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Bye!